welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I know that it's been a while since my last video. Life has been happening. Okay, that's a story for another time. However, today I wanted to come back and give you all a video about how you, yes you, can get soft, kissable lips. Anybody could do it. Getting started is very simple. You can either start in the morning or the day, whenever you're prepping your lips for whatever you're doing, or you can start the night before. If you start the night before, you could use Vaseline, chapstick, Blistex, Carmex, anything as long as it's like moisturizing for your lips, so that especially if you have a lot of like skin buildup and dead skin on your lips, like that you can bite off, skin like that. That happens to me sometimes when I don't moisturize my lips. However, if you want to make it easy and painless to remove it, because I remember when I was younger, I would have my lips to be so chapped all the time, and to the point where like if I tried to take some of the skin off, like if I tried to bite it off or something, my lips might bleed. Like I don't know. But that's when my mom introduced me to Carmex. She had a jar just like this one, and it was winter. I remember this so clearly. I was going to the bus stop and it was winter, so it was really cold outside, and my lips were chapped, and they actually started bleeding just because like they were so dry, and the air was dry outside and it was cold and all that, and they were chapped, they were dry, they didn't have anything moisturizing on them. And she gave me some Carmex. At first it kind of burned, but eventually like it faded and I got over it. But I'm pretty sure, yeah, Carmex is medicated, so if you really need something good, I would recommend Carmex. Some people, it might be too strong. Does it have cinnamon in it? I feel like it has cinnamon in it. I don't know. But for some people, it might be too strong because it does have like a slight tingly, burning feeling. But this is good for your lips. Or Vaseline, like I said, you can do that too. I've done that before. And when you wake up in the morning, not only will your lips be soft, but the skin on your lips will be soft, so you can rub it off like with your fingers in water. I've done that before. Because you want to get a good amount. You don't want to just a little bit. You want to get a good amount to really coat your lips, so that in the morning you can just rub it off, like in the shower when you're washing your face. You can just rub it off with your fingers because the skin is so soft. Then you can either move on to a lip scrub, or you can, if you don't need to do the Vaseline, chapstick, whatever the night before, you can start with a lip scrub. I would start with my lips wet just because I don't want to be scrubbing on dry skin. But scrub the dead skin off of your lips, rinse it off, whatever, wipe it off, and moisturize. The key thing to keeping your lips nice and soft and kissable is moisturizing. I will never forget when my boyfriend asked me, how do you keep your lips so soft? I moisturize. Keep them moisturized. Also, something to keep them not just soft but kissable is to make sure the dead skin is gone, because like I said, you can have soft lips, but they can also have dead skin on them. Like if you wear the chapstick overnight and you wake up in the morning, your lips are gonna be soft, but you're gonna have all that dead skin on it. So to keep them really kissable, keep them clean and moisturized. Clean the dead skin off and moisturize. Before quarantine and corona and all this happened, I was wearing lip gloss every single day, no matter where I was going, no matter what I was doing. After that, like we had to wear masks, so and I have big lips, so I wear a lot of lip gloss, and I didn't feel like doing all that under my mask and lip gloss get rubbed all around my face. No, I didn't feel like doing any of that. But I did still put on some Carmex, put on some chapstick, because you need to keep your lips moisturized. Even when I'm not going anywhere, after post-corona or whatever, after everything started happening, when I'm in the house, I wear lip gloss. I moisturize my lips. You have to keep it up to keep your lips always soft and kissable, because you never know. You never know what could happen. That is all for this video. Nice and short and sweet. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below some other things that you do to keep your lips soft and kissable. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned, because in my next video, I'm going to be talking about how you can improve your skin. Okay? My skin's not perfect, but it's better than it used to be. And there will be more videos after that. I'm not going to promise I'm going to be pumping out a whole bunch of videos, because look, life happens, okay? I'm a normal person. But what I will say is I will try to get more videos out, because I like making videos and I have more ideas. I just have to do it, you know? But that is all for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hey, Sugar Loves. Hey, Sugar Loves. Welcome to...
Warriors around, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm liable to spark it.